what's up, ninjas? I am back, and I figure before I get carried away and start putting the seats back in, seat back in. I used the 2000 GS300 handbrake, and yeah, used the factory GS e-brake cable, and I just kind of looped it around here, brought it around, and it seems to work out. I have to dress up the bracket and spray it and stuff, but I'm gonna drop the seat in and see if it clears, but I think it'll work pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to take a quick video of this before I start putting it together and everything starts getting. The front bracket, which is gonna mount to the seat bolt, and the other back bracket, I just have it like static to the floor. But yeah. So I threw on the leather boot, and kind of needs adjusting, but I still have to hook up the original switch from here, the parking indicator switch light thing. But I'm not too worried about it, but it looks pretty clean. Kind of matches the new console. Still gotta button up all these parts, but I was gonna drop my bride in, but totally forgot I don't have any brackets. Was gonna try and make something, but stopped myself. Figured just order brackets and jump back on that later. But yeah, it's pretty solid. Gotta put my boot back in and the armrest back on, like I said. But yeah, tried to make it look as clean as possible without looking so hacked and strong at the same time. But yeah, from the looks of it, I think it'll hold. I mean, I really don't know until we start beating on it. But pretty stoked. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.